Hi, welcome to CBDriver. In this video, we're going to answer some of the questions you guys have been sending in, asking us how can you use the CBDriver website to get more delivery work. So we're going to try to answer those questions in this video. CBDriver was started in 2008, over 15 years ago, and hundreds of thousands of drivers have used this website looking for delivery driving opportunities. CBDriver has delivery contract job ads posted all over the country by companies who are looking for drivers, professional drivers with their own delivery vehicle, typically car, minivan, SUV, cargo van, sprinter, pickup truck, or box truck. That's what the majority of the ads posted on this site are looking for. And it's kind of like a Simply Hired or an Indeed, because these are driver ads where you look at the ad, you respond to it, and the company that posted the ad will get back to you and give you the information about the driving opportunity. It's a little bit different than a delivery app, because on a delivery app, when you sign up for that app, if that app has a lot of business going forward in your area, you'll get a lot of work. If it doesn't, you won't. So you're basically depending on that app to kind of send you deliveries as they come in. Most of the ads on CBDriver, not all of them, but a lot of them are routes, regular delivery routes where they're looking for a driver on a regular scheduled basis. So it could be a Monday through Friday route, it could be an evening route, it could be a 3-day-a-week route. They're all different. So there is no one cookie cutter, this is the way the ads are. They're all different, and each opportunity is unique and has a different distance. So you want to look at all the ads that might be in your area and see which ones appeal to you. And remember, when you are a independent contractor, you can respond to as many ads as you want, and you can get different contracts. And as long as they don't conflict time-wise with each other, and you can handle them all efficiently, you can take on different contracts from different companies and build your delivery business that way. So let's start by searching. I'll put in Miami, Florida, click it, and click Find More Work. And all the ads that come up in your area will show up after you do your search. And new ads are posted every day. CBDriver is a free website. Let me start out by saying you can use this over and over again at no cost. So what you want to do is look at the vehicle types, because that's a shortcut for seeing which ads are the right ones that you might be interested in. So if you've got, let's say, an SUV, this is an ad for any kind of vehicle. So that would include an SUV. So you can click on that one. Let's scroll down. Here's a box truck, car, cargo van. Here's one again, SUV. I'm going to look at that one. This one's cargo van and sprinter. This is a car. So you can go through and see all the different ads that might have your vehicle type and look at them. Let's look at the first one, for example. And so you'll see right here, this is the basic information that the company posting the ad is going to give you. To get the real information that you want, which is how much is this going to pay, you're going to want to respond to the ad, because they don't know what kind of vehicle you have. They don't know which route you can handle. Maybe they have different routes, and you can handle the Monday through Friday one, and you're going 10 miles for each delivery. It depends on the distance, what kind of vehicle. So respond to any ad that you're interested in. Click Respond to this ad. And then the company that posted this ad is going to get your contact information, and then they'll contact you by phone or email. And that's when you can get the real specifics that you want on how much would this pay, how much is it per delivery, how much is it per mile, however they're paying, and find out whether or not that meets your requirements, whether that's a good opportunity or a bad opportunity, and whether the time and the schedule is something that you want to do. You might be an Uber driver and be looking for contracts just in the morning so you can have regular, kind of more dependable work, and then do your Uber work at night. And so you can kind of mix and match these. And remember, some of these are, repeat scheduled routes. A lot of them are, and some of them are on-demand work where the work will come as it, will be given to you as they get it. But a lot of these are scheduled routes where you can have more dependability in terms of how much you're making and when you're working. So let's log in. So once you create your free account, after you respond to your first ad, you're going to have, this is going to be your driver dashboard. So I've already created an account, and I've got a driver profile. All right, on this side, it will show me my account information. It will tell you how many ads you've responded to, 82. Here's your username and password. All of these things are either on your mobile phone, you can find them, or on your tablet or computer looking like this. Your driver profile is created after you respond to your first ad. We're going to ask you questions that is going to create your driver profile that we'll store in your secure account safely on our secure server. So all of your information is stored securely and is sent when you respond to an ad as part of your profile. And this is what a recruiter would see. They would see your personal information, they'd see your driver record and license, they'd see your vehicle and insurance and experience. So you're going to fill out your driver profile. So here's your name, type of vehicle, location, contact information. We'll ask you questions like what state you're in, your year of birth, because you need to be at least 18. If you have a DBA, you can put that in. We are not going to ask you for your social. We're not going to ask you for your license. We do not ask for any personal ID numbers. Unless you want to put in your MC and DOT number, if you have those and you have a larger vehicle, but that's optional. So again, you do not need to put in your MC or DOT. You do not need to have one, and we're not going to ask you for social or license. We are going to ask you for what kind of vehicle, make and model, year, mileage, and the name of your insurance company. And if you have experience doing delivery work, it's great to add that to your profile, and you can put the names of companies if you wish that you've done deliveries for and any additional information. Again, you do not need to have experience to use this site. There are plenty of driver contract ads posted that say no experience necessary. So look through each ad and find the ones that have your vehicle type and your experience level and get more information by responding to them. The next thing you can do, and you can also, by the way, change any of the information on your profile. So each of these we call a tab. And on your profile, there'll be a change info that you can click and update any of the information in any section very easily. If you want to market your business for free and go the next step, you can be part of our Searchable database, and you can post a driver available ad for free. And you just put your zip code down and you check off independent contractor driver, and you can enter any additional details you want about yourself. Great driver, super, delivery person, whatever you want to put, and then post your ad. We have companies who use our site two ways. Companies will come and they post a driver ad, and those are the ads I was showing you before. We also have companies who might be looking for a driver like right away. So let's say they might have a new medical route that's starting on Monday, and they need to reach out and try to get drivers quickly. We have a searchable database that will include anyone who has posted a driver available ad in that area. So if a company is searching in a particular area and you have posted your driver available ad, you will come up as part of that search, and they can look through, they can review your profile, and if they feel you meet their basic requirements, you have the right kind of vehicle, you live in the right area, they can contact you, call you, or email you and say, hey, we found you on CBDriver and we saw you were advertising yourself. We have a driving opportunity we'd like to discuss with you. If you're not interested, you can say no thank you. And remember, we're going to send you alerts anytime a new driving ad is posted. So you'll get an email or text alert when a new ad is posted. So you can delete that if you're or look at it if you're interested. So you don't have to come to the site every day and see whether new ads have been posted. We will send you alerts for every single ad as it's posted, or you can come to the site and search and see the ones that are running right now. The last thing I want to point out is that we have this new kind of a Reddit driver talk community forum. This is just for drivers, and we started it a couple of months ago, so it's fairly new. And we get a lot of questions from drivers. What kind of a vehicle is good for deliveries? I'm just starting out. What kind of insurance do I need? Things like that. We answer as many questions as we can, but we also want drivers to be able to share experiences and knowledge with each other. So this is really for drivers to talk to drivers. So if you have a question and you want to see if other drivers can help you out with it, click create a post. You'll have to join and just put your contact information in, which is different than joining CBDriver. So you'll sign up separately there and just create a username and password. And then you can post your question. And hopefully other drivers, if you're an experienced driver and you happen to be looking through here and you see that somebody's asked a question that you can answer, please respond and share your information and experience with other drivers. So to sum it up, we've got CBDriver is a free job website. You can find driver contracts. You never have to come to the site. We'll send you alerts. There is an upgrade option I didn't mention before. It's not necessary to use every single thing that I talked about. You can have your free account and do all those things. If you want to have a upgraded driver profile, you can upgrade for a couple of dollars a month, and then you can include your picture on the front page of your profile with some highlights. But again, that's an extra add-on, and it's not necessary for you to find driving opportunities and to build your driving business. We hope that this will help you build your driving business, and we hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day. Thanks.